have you ever tried to build a habit and massively failed at it? Maybe you lost track of it, or maybe you just forgot about it, or simply life happened. So this habit tracker can help you out, and I definitely feel that this will help you build habits. And I have 3 reasons why you should be at least giving a try. First of all, this is extremely visual and it will help you see the progress that you are making every single day, and that will help you stay motivated to maintain your streak. For example, I have 4 habits to build, and in a span of 31 days, that is a month, and I just want to track my progress, that how I am doing every single day. So let's say on day 1 I do everything, and as you can see, a chart is being made over there. So this is how visual it is, and it is definitely satisfying to mark those numbers, those checks, and see your graph moving. On day 2, maybe you skipped your gym and you could just do other things, and that's how your graph will change. On day 3, maybe you skipped reading book, you just did these 2 things, and again the graph has changed. And that's how you keep on measuring your progress and seeing how it is working for you. And if you have not noticed, you are also tracking the percentage of your progress. So let's say by the end of the month, if you do every single thing, you will see that the thing will become 100%, and you will definitely feel more confident about yourself because you have done the hard work of completing it in a whole month. Reason number 2 why you should be using this tracker is it is extremely customizable. It's built on Google Sheets, no apps, no software, no complex setup. It's pure Google Sheets, and you can customize it the way how you want it. The habits can be added, the trackers can be changed, the waves can be changed, the graphs can be changed, and in fact your goals can be also customized. For example, if I want to add another habit in this, I will just add new row, and maybe I want to build a habit that I don't want to binge watch every single night and sleep early. So I will just add sleep early, or maybe avoid binge watching. But I've just added avoid binge watching, and on day 1 I was extremely motivated. I have just marked it. On day 2 I probably did it again. On day 3 I started binge watching again, and I slept late. But as you might have noticed, the graph is not moving over there, and there is a strong reason that we have not set the goals over there, right? So now we just need to set the goal. So I will just drag these things, and the goal is set up. As you can see, the actual thing I have marked 2 times, and it's reflecting 2 over there. And now I felt that my goal is too big because I have a habit to binge watch every single night, and I can't change it overnight. So I will reduce my goal. So let's say I just want to do that 5 times a month. I just want to avoid that 5 times a month. And now the goal is suddenly smaller, and since I have already done that twice, it is showing that I have already achieved 40% of my overall target, which is actually a good thing, right? It's actually helping you out to save, and in fact you can set larger targets as soon as you complete the existing targets, and that's an extremely motivating factor to reduce the things that you don't want to get indulged with. Reason number 3, it's completely free and extremely easy to use. Just check the link in the description, and I have shared this. Just make a copy and start using it for yourself. It's October, you still have 3 months to achieve your 2024 goals. If not, use it in 2025, but try to use it in this 3 months itself. So I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye. Let me know if you have any suggestions and comments. Use the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.